Hey guys, this is going. I'm going to be doing a stunt for you guys. This is not a magic trick, this is not an illusion, this is a stunt, 100% legit. I have a pair of handcuffs right here. My cousin is an RCMP officer, so she let me borrow these for this specific purpose. They're actual handcuffs. The little kid handcuffs, the little illusion ones that you can do, the magic shop ones don't have these things right here. These things is to hook in to this, so it's actually, so you know it's actually hooked into there because it's stuck in those little grooves there. So what I'm going to do is, first I'll show you I have the keys. Okay, see, I have the keys. I'll take the keys and put them in my pocket. One of the keys will be sticking out the whole time, so you can see I'm not using those for this trick. Stunt, sorry. When I'm doing this, there will be a song playing, and I'm going to try to get out of these handcuffs by the time the song's done. Alright? Here we go. I'm actually going to take off my rings for you. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know that I'm not using these somehow for something, and you can see they're actually in there. There are 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And leave them there. Alright, my hands feel empty now. My hands feel naked. Alright. I'm going to put these handcuffs on. And I'm going to try to get out of these handcuffs by the time the song is finished. So I'll put this one on in a second once the song starts. Here we go. Not easy.
Tonight,
Thank you guys. Ugh. I get the handcuffs off to show you the it's my arm. I can show you here. My arm is all red from the handcuffs. I'm trying to get them off. See that side too. I don't know if you can. I practiced that for a while before doing it. The keys, you can see, are still here. I didn't use those. You can see the marks on my wrist here. Little cut right there. So yeah, thank you guys. That was not easy. Peace.